Gold and silver stayed bullish yesterday, where we have seen both taking the support from the crucial support zone at 2384 and 2660 levels. And since then, we have seen gold hitting the highs at 2410-12 yesterday, while today it has started again on a bullish note where it has already hit 2418 plus levels, and silver has also moved towards 2865. What to expect? Can we expect this bullishness to continue? Can we expect gold to achieve higher highs here for the day, and the silver to follow as well? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I shared two updates. That the next update will be released before the US session today. And also today is an important day where the Fed meeting and the interest rate decision is going to get declared, though we are anticipating that it is not going to be a hike or a cut, but it is going to remain flat. But also it will give the direction of what to expect in the next Fed meeting. So the traders must be looking forward to the forward guidance and the press conference, which is going to be important. And thus, we have to be trading with caution. We have to trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, and comment. Do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. See gold on the early charts, moving averages crossing over here, signs of bullishness here, and also if you look at it is trading in this channel here. The high is now at 2420, 2422 needs to be taken in order to confirm its further upward move. Support levels are intact towards 2390 levels, which is going to remain a prime support, and a swing cannot be denied here. Now see what has happened on the early charts. After the rise, it has retraced, it has formed the support 2404, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be a prime support level for today. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, good sign for the bulls here. Coming to two, likewise on the 2 hour charts, moving averages crossing over here, again signs of bullishness. And also you can see higher highs, higher lows are seen. Possibly once it stays beyond 2420, 2422 zone, you can look forward to a move towards 2430, 32, and in fact 2440 levels. Let's see if it continues with this momentum. Right now, if you look at the 2 hour charts, you can also see this drop retracement, and see it has already breached this channel. So this could be a breakout out of this flag formation. That is what we will confirm on the daily charts. But if you look at the 2 hour charts, after the rise, retracement, and now a but again key levels here at 2422, which needs to be taken, and then 2430. Let's have a further look. See stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is more or less same, but you should not forget the rise, the retracement. The rise here, it could follow with a retracement. Now retracement has the lows at 2390, which is going to be a prime support, and below that 2380. If these two levels are taken, you can say a fall is in making. Why it can fall? Look at the formation here. The drop retracement, the drop retracement. Now see the slope here is sharp, the rise is gradual, and once it breaks beyond 2430, then you can say it is completing the reversal here. Till 2430, you have to be trading with caution. Stochastic overbought here, MACD is rising, RSI is rising, good sign for the bulls. Coming to 4, the observation on the 4 hour charts is more or less same. Trading in the bullish channel, moving averages are converging here, and it is willing to cross over, good sign for the bulls. And see, after a couple of consolidation, first bullish candle, then you can expect a series of candles from here which can take it towards 2430, 32, and beyond that we can look forward to a stronger rise, which can in fact take the prices towards 2440, 2460 levels as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch and join my signals channel. And yes, those who are looking forward to a broker which offers a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, what has happened? You can see the rise here, retracement, taking the support from 2050 zone. It is now trying to bounce. Also, one must notice it is still delivering lower highs, lower lows. Very, very important for it to break beyond 2430, 2432 zone in order to confirm a bullish breakout, and then the candle could be equally strong here, where we can see 2440, 45, and in fact 2460 as the next targets. But again, I am saying till 2430, 32, you have to be cautious here with the buying entries. Though what we can look here is, yesterday also I have mentioned, see higher lows are seen, and thus higher highs, it is almost hitting the highs here. So a buying entry at 2420, 2422 can be taken, but this is to be traded with caution as long as 24.30.32 is not taken on the upside. On the downside now, see 24.04, which was the resistance till now, it is going to be a which was the resistance till now, it is going to be a prime support for any move below 2404 and 2400 is going to be a sign that more bears will come in, and then you can look forward to 2390, 2380, and if it drops below 2380 is where the bears will take over. Stochastic rising, see on the daily charts MACD is still bearish, but if you look at where it is coming from, the rise here, see what has happened here, can replicate it. It is almost forming a symmetry here as well. So let's see if it crosses over today. The RSI is rising. So looking at this, very simple. The buying entries are at 2420, 2422 with the target towards 2430, 32, 2440, 2444, 45, and then beyond that you can aim for 2460 levels here on the upside. On the downside, where is the selling? A selling entry can be taken at 2408 levels, but it has to be traded with caution till 2404. This is going to be the stronger support zone today, 2408, 2404. Below 2404, you can expect the bears out there, where you can look forward to 2398, 2394, 2387, 2384. Below 2384, the bears will come in, and then we can look forward to a stronger correction here in metals. Looking at the move right now, it is trading with bullish momentum, but it can change with the news, and thus you have to be trading with caution. On the upside and downside, the critical resistances I have already shared. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the early charts, likewise, moving averages crossing over here, signs of bullishness here, trading with divergence 28.30, 28.20, very good support zone. Also, I have mentioned earlier in my updates that 28.40, 50 was the first resistance zone. It is consolidated here, now giving a breakout. On the upside, 28.75, 80 is going to be one resistance which it needs to break in order to keep moving towards 29, 29.50 and 30. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. Coming to the 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see what has happened. Look at the formation here, drop, retracement, and it is forming a classic formation here with lower highs, lower lows. Very important for silver to break beyond the far above levels at 2950, and any move beyond 2950 is the only confirmation you can say silver is turning bullish. Till then, it is still to be treated under retracement. Now see the moving averages crossing over here, good signs for the bull. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3 hour chart. Similar is the formation here, similar is the observation here, consolidated here and now giving a breakout on the upside. But again, till 29, 29.50, we have to be cautious here on the upside. Yes, it is forming bigger tails, it is forming bigger wicks on the upside. And also, if you look at, see, it has consolidated enough here at 27.50, 60 zone, and then has given this breakout. I will wait how far it continues here. On the upside, 28.75, 80 should be a good resistance. Beyond the 29 and then 29, 25, 29.50 levels will be seen. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar is the observation here, higher lows, higher highs, and a major milestone at 29.50. It can continue till towards then, but only buying entry I will recommend is at 28.75, 80, where you can expect it to move towards 29, 29, 25, 29.50. Right now, the moving averages are trading bearish, but it has started to converge. The stochastic overbought, the MACD is rising. It has formed a double bottom. I have mentioned yesterday as well. Forming the double bottom, it can hit the highs here. RSI rising, good sign again for the bulls here. Coming to the day. Now see on the daily charts what has happened here, good enough consolidation. I have mentioned that the preceding candle comes with the tail and a smaller body, continued with the rise here, and see what it has achieved. It has achieved higher highs here. Now very important for silver to break beyond 28.75, 80. Now why it is important? See, first of all, the moving averages on the daily charts have crossed over. This is a bearish sign, and you can also notice here till 29.50 it has got stronger resistances on the upside. So first thing is, it can try to move towards this zone. It can show at least a swing towards this zone, at least. If not, then 29 is possible, and thus beyond 28.75, 80 we can see little bullishness. See, previously this was the support, and now this is going to be the resistance. Beyond that, again it will become the support here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, trying to converge. And if you look at first wave, second wave, if it crosses over, we can look forward to a stronger rise in the near future. RSI rising. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver at 28.75. Expect it to move towards 28.95, 29 first target zone, 29.25 the second, and 29.50 the third. Beyond 29.50, it is to be treated bullish for $30 levels. very soon. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 2830 levels. Below 2830 is where you can treat silver as bearish, and then you can look forward to a correction towards 28, and below 28 is where more bearish momentum to follow, where 2760 levels will be seen. Any drop below 2760 is a classical sign of a stronger reversal and a crash will follow. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.